Good morning, children. How are you? I'm Santosh, teaching science at Dr. Basin School. It has been quite long period of time. You're not coming to school due to COVID-19. You're staying at home and you're enjoying at home safely. I think you're enjoying safely at home. But it's the time for you to actually concentrate on your studies. The present scenario, it is not possible for you to attend the school and study in the school, but how to overcome this problem? To overcome this problem, our Dr. Beeson School has launched a new program called Beeson Distant Learning Program. Through this program, we are recording the videos on the lessons, and that lessons are going to send to you. That lessons you have to watch them carefully, and you have to note down in the notebooks, and you have to read. In this way we can solve this COVID-19 problem. Okay, as a part of the Beeson Distant Learning Program, today I am going to start lesson 1, that is muscular system. Okay, children, you will play a lot of games. During playing, you will met with so many injuries. Like that, in your lesson, Raghav, while playing kabaddi, Raghav, what happened? While playing kabaddi, he accidentally got one injury. Her mother took him to doctor. Actually, her mother thought that it is a fracture. But after examining that boy, doctor said that it is not a fracture, instead it is a muscle injury. Children, please tell me, what is a muscle? Do you know what are muscles? Where they are present? What is their function? Everything we will discuss in this chapter. Muscles. Muscles are fleshy structures that are present, distributed uniformly throughout the body. They undergo contraction and relaxation. By undergoing contraction and relaxation, they help in the movement of different body parts. For example, if I want to hold this book, I have to hold with the help of my muscles. Without muscles, I can't hold this book. I am standing, my muscles help us to stand. If I want to write something on the board, I have to use my muscles. What not? For everything we are using muscles. Walking, running, dancing, eating. The muscles present in the different parts of the body help in doing all these activities. Now with the help of the chart, I will show you the muscles, how they are distributed uniformly throughout the body. See, these are the muscles. See the picture. Children, see the picture. This picture contains two halves. One half showing the muscles, and another half only contains bones. Okay, around these bones, see the left hand side only bones are present, right hand side muscles, around the bones muscles are present. You can able to see the fleshy structures that are present around these bones. These fleshy structures are nothing but muscles. Okay, based on their function, muscles are classified into three types. Muscles are classified into three types. What are the muscles are classified into? Three types. They are skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. Skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. where the skeletal muscles are present. The skeletal muscles are directly attached to the bones. They help in the movement of different body parts. They help in running, walking, etc. I will show you how the muscles work, how the skeletal muscles work with the help of the activity. With the help of an activity, I am going to show you how the muscles will work. See, children, please take your left hand, showing with the help of my left hand I am showing this activity. I am removing the shirt. See, observe my hand. See the outer surface and the inner surface. My hand. Now I am folding my hand. When I am folding my hand, you can observe what happens. There, take your left hand finger and place it on the upper surface of your hand. Here, what happens, you can see a ball-like structure, the fleshy structures. You can see spongy material. The spongy material that is present is nothing but muscle. Gently unfold your hand. Okay. Now you can see that these muscles undergoing contraction as well as relaxation. When you are stretching your hand, when you are folding your hand, the muscles that are present on the outer surface, they undergo contraction. Whereas the muscles that are present beneath the hand, at the back of the hand, they undergo relaxation. When you are unfolding your hand, whatever the muscles that are present on the outer surface will undergo relaxation, and the inner side muscles will undergo contraction. In this way, muscle works in pairs. See, the muscles are mainly classified into smooth muscles, skeletal muscles and smooth muscles and cardiac muscles. Children, where they are present? Skeletal muscles are especially located in, they are directly attached to bones. They help in the movement of hands, legs, etc. Whereas smooth muscles, where they are present? With the help of chart, I will show where the smooth muscles are present. Here the smooth muscles are present in the internal organs. You can see the smooth muscles that are present in the internal organs of the body, that is lungs, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, etc. These are the skeletal muscles that are present in the hand. Whereas this one, here the muscles that are present in the heart are known as cardiac muscles. Muscles present in the heart known as cardiac muscles. Where the smooth muscles are present? The smooth muscles are present in internal organs like lungs, stomach, large intestine, etc. Large intestine, etc. They help in The smooth muscles help in different biological processes like respiration, digestion, excretion, etc. Last one is cardiac muscles. Actually, where they are present? Cardiac muscles especially present in the heart. What is their function? They help in pumping the blood. Where cardiac muscles are present? They are present in the heart. Children, please note down this chart, flow chart. Children, I am going to draw the pictures of smooth muscles, skeletal muscles and cardiac muscles. Children, please take out your notebook and pencil, eraser and draw the pictures of these muscles along with me. Children, I am going to rub. Skeletal muscles picture I am drawing. Now, skeletal muscles are the muscles which are present directly attached to the bones. First you have to draw tube-like structures. With the help of your pencil, draw tube-like structures. 1, 2, 3, 4 tubes. Now draw the bands. Next you have to do, draw the bands on these tubes. Draw the bands. Draw the bands throughout the surface. Children, while drawing the picture, don't look here and there. Pay concentration. Then only you will get neat diagrams. Pay concentration. Now, circular structures that are present. What is these spots that are present here? These are nothing but nucleus. This nucleus, you don't know about nucleus, but nucleus is an important structure that is present inside the cell. In your higher class, you will come across all these things. This is the picture of skeletal muscles. Picture of skeletal muscle. How it looks? Skeletal muscles. This dot-like structures are nucleus. Next, I am going to draw smooth muscles. Smooth muscles down. I am here. Smooth muscles. They are somewhat sickle shaped. Sickle shaped. Sickle shaped structures where these smooth muscles are present. Smooth muscles are present distributed in internal organs. Internal organs. Here, smooth muscles. Children, smooth muscles. Sri. It also contains nucleus, blue dots. These muscles, known as smooth muscles, where they are present in internal organs present in internal organs. Next, third diagram, I am writing heart muscles or cardiac muscles. Heart muscles or other name is cardiac muscles. These are the special type of muscles. They are present only in the heart. Nowhere they are present. They are present in the heart only. These are heart muscles, or other name for heart muscles is cardiac muscles. They are present only in the heart. They never take rest. They work continuously. right from the birth until we die. Okay, they are present in the heart. These are attached to bones. Children, please draw the pictures neatly. Based on the function, children, draw the pictures neatly. You have to practice in such a way that without seeing you can draw these pictures, because in exams they will ask in the exams to either to draw the picture, or they will give these pictures and they will ask what kind. We have to identify the type of muscles. Okay, in your exams, in the examination paper, they will give in any manner. Either they will ask to draw the picture directly, or they will give the picture and we have to identify. It's very important question. It will give for, it's an essay question, long answer type question. That's why please children concentrate, take your own time and draw the pictures without any mistakes. And the picture also, whatever you are drawing, it must be neat. And the labeling also, you should not commit any mistakes. That spellings are very important. Skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and the cardiac muscles, all these spellings are very important. In the next class, we will continue this. The same topic we will continue in the next class. Have a nice day. Thank you.